Alright, in this video we look at some ideas of the drone tuning. Alright, so it's the drone tuning, EB, right? Now this one can just firstly stroke it up and down to create the drone, like a tanpura accompaniment. But you can also do a lot of solos, for instance. If I play notes on the open string, let's say any string, open string, the 2nd fret and 4th fret, okay, the same open 2nd, 4th frets on the other string. So like this is 2nd string, open, 2nd string, 4th fret, again, open, the 3rd string, open, 2nd, 4th. So I'm just playing open, 2nd, 4th, open, 2nd, 4th, open, 2nd, 4th, open, 2nd, 4th, right? So that's one idea, open, 2nd, 4th. Now if I play open, 2nd, 3rd, here, you see open, 2nd, 3rd, any string. It's a little bit sadder. The same scale, right? Okay. If I were to play, let's say, open, 3rd, and 5th now, that gets kind of pentatonic, very bluesy West African style. Okay. Another thing I can do is play double notes at the same time. Like, so since you'll recollect that this is E and this is E, I can play. I can. So there you have it. There's a lot of endless possibilities on this very interesting tuning. Yeah.